Hello, good morning. My name is Dominic from Gree Airconditioner. Like I said yesterday evening, I told you I was going to do a short video and send to you concerning this the AC that is not cooling in your home. So first of all, you need to turn on the AC. After turning on the AC, from this button you can turn on the AC. Now, if this is displaying on your remote, this is what is displaying on your remote. You should take note of the arrows, where the arrows is being pointed at. Now you can see the arrow is facing the auto. Normally your AC is not supposed to be on the auto mode. If it's on the auto mode, it will not cool. So secondly, what you need to do is to apply, you press the mode button and put it on cool. Let the arrow face cool. Now at this point the arrow is facing cool. Now the next thing to do is, your remote is supposed to be displaying this auto operation. So the first thing you need to do is, you go to the fan, you press it first time, you will notice the bar just showed up. Press it again, the bar will show again, that is second. You press it again, the bar will show again, which is third bar. Then you press it again, which is the fourth bar. So now at this stage, make sure the AC is on this operation, cooling, and the fan should be increased to enable the cooling to be active. So you'll see the full bar is displaying 4 bars there. That is the speed. The fan speed is displaying 4 bars. So you also press the fan button for the last time, which is once. Then place it on operational mode, this operational auto. Then watch the performance of the AC. So if your AC must cool, it must be in this, the arrow must be facing the cooling, then it must be facing swing. So try it and get back to me, let me know.